you sound like Glorilla. Harry? What you say? It's in Harry and top? What were you talking about? What's a Harry? What you do? What did I do? You said it's getting Harry and Harry.
Because I know. No. I drink up. No.
Yes. Your lips got sunburned. You need to rub some butter and some syrup on the mug. What's up, BT gang? What's up, gang? It's your boy Brock back with another bang. I ain't playing no games. I'm about to be putting ORAJEL around the rim of Tasha's water bottle. Oh! It is what it is. I gotta hurry up. She's going to go pick up Noah. I gotta hurry up. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that notification bell if you haven't already. Smash that notification bell. Make it go ring, ding, dong. Hey, ring a ding, 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 dong. Smash that notification bell, please, so you get notification when we drop new videos, gang. Post notification, gang. Post notification. Shout outs go to Mo D, what up? Taurus always wins. Baby girl, Chris Bow, Kazan Gross, and Drill Lunatic. Hey, thank y'all so much for jumping in the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody wants to shout out in any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification, gang, down in the comments. Say, yeah, your post notification bell turned on, gang. Now look, I gotta hurry up. It is what it is, gang. So we're about to get in the car. We get straight into it. Putting the ORAJEL bottle around the rim of my fiance's water bottle. It is what it is. I'm gonna be putting the ORAJEL around the rim of my fiance's water bottle. As soon as she get in the car, we get straight to this. Let's do this thing.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
What's up, booty dude?
What?
I'm green team and I got 26 points.
Oh, my buddy got 26 points like Kobe.
That's 26.
That's what I said, bro.
I thought you said 46.
Nah, Kobe used to score 26 all the time.
Woo, it's hot as
I just got tomorrow to get to 35.
double hockey stick.
That's right.
Got
Good
my
job,
eyes watering.
You had a fun day in school in Big Head?
My God.
It's hot as hell out there, I know. You sweat like a mug.
Woo, you
That's
got my
crazy.
eyes watering. It's so dang hot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this teacher always coming, the fifth teacher coming.
Oh my God, they always the last class to come out.
What should be like
And
that?
then Noah don't want to act like he see me when I'm telling him to come on.
I did see her, but the teacher was turned around, so I had to hold on and be patient.
Oh! Ooh, you drink all your water today?
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Or did you not drink your water today? Let me see.
Don't.
You didn't drink none, huh? You didn't drink none. Here, no juice or nothing until you drink that water.
Let's turn
today.
around. We're gonna drop them back off at school to
Drink that water. I'm finna drink some water because it's hot as hell.
That yeah. Oh.
Ooh,
Can we get Sonics?
Maybe we'll see, booty.
water tastes funny.
It tastes funny?
A little bit.
What's wrong? You brush your teeth before you leave?
Huh?
You brush your teeth before you leave?
Yeah, I brush my teeth.
Oh, that's probably why.
That's probably why what? The water tastes funny?
Yeah, what it tastes like?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I'm just saying. You
Not
brush your
good.
teeth, you know, you tasting a little funny. My bad, you know what I mean?
And he tasted fun because of the toothpaste.
Thank you. How he know, but you don't know. That's the crazy part. How he know, but you don't know.
So what'd you do at school today, Noe?
Oh, no, you gotta answer Daddy's question first.
What Daddy say?
Ooh.
Child. Anyway, so
How
I didn't hear.
how he know, but you don't know.
Know what? I'm not.
Toothpaste
My
changed your taste.
lips.
Toothpaste changed your
What'd you
taste?
say?
What you do today, Noah?
So let me tell you what I had for lunch, because lunch was fire.
Okay, all right.
For lunch I had pasta,
Oh.
and then I had orange juice.
Oh.
grapes.
Oh.
My lips is burning.
Orange juice grapes. Oh, that sound bomb, buddy. What kind of pasta was it? Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is my lips swelling?
Huh?
My lips feel big.
Hell no, Tasha, your lips ain't been big since you've been born. You got a little tiny.
You always co-signing. Be quiet. That wasn't even.
You got a little
Tell
lip.
it right.
You got a little lip. You gonna get a car wash?
Well, my lip really.
You want a good car wash?
No, I don't want a car wash. My lips feel like they swelling up.
Hey, sweat it up. You got some Botox? You ain't got Botox?
Did you see me go get some Botox, bro?
I'm
or
asking.
did you see me get out the car and go get the baby?
I ain't been with you all day yesterday. I went with you all day yesterday. You could have easily would have got some Botox.
I ain't got. You just said my lips ain't been big my whole life. Oh!
Okay, maybe take a day for the kick. I don't know. I'm just asking. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to see what's wrong with you. You mad at me for trying to see what's wrong with you? Your whole thank you. And I oop, body,
Didn't nobody even ask you. Wasn't nobody even stay in the back seat in the child's place.
The back.
Nobody even talking to you.
Say the back again. Why you take it back? Back. Why you take back?
I want to drink some more water, but that water nasty.
Drink some more.
What's so funny?
Drink some more.
I don't want no more. That tastes gross.
What's wrong?
That stuff tastes gross.
How you gonna say
Earmuffs.
it tastes gross? That don't make no sense. Water tastes gross. Water don't taste like that. Water don't taste like nothing. Yeah, it tastes gross.
Look, I
You're not taking my concerns.
Go and drink some water, Noah. You see, good job.
Okay,
Go
wait.
drink water.
Hand up. Mommy speaks. I don't feel like
You ain't in class.
Nobody's listening.
I said you get Botox.
I said nobody's taking my complaint seriously. My lips feel funny.
Your lips got sunburn?
And the tip of my
You
tongue.
think your lips got sunburn?
What?
Maybe your lips got sunburn. You was outside too long. Huh? You probably need to
My
throw some
lips
butter.
ain't got some. No, they would have no, my lips aren't sunburned.
I'm trying to tell you, rub some butter
My
on
lips have been sunburned before.
them. Rub some butter on them.
It's getting wired. I can't.
Rub some butter on them. You ain't listening to me.
Rub some butter on.
Is anybody listening to me?
Oh.
Is anybody listening to me? Rub some butter on your lips.
Noah, calm down.
It's fun.
It's not that funny.
It is.
Your daddy is not that funny.
It is fun.
I'm telling you now, my lips it's getting harder and harder to talk.
Harrier. Why you sound like Glorilla? Harrier? What you say? It's in Harrier and talk? What are you talking about? What's a Harrier?
What you do?
What did I do? You said it's getting Harrier and Harrier.
Because I know. No. I drank out. No.
Yes. Your lips got sunburned.
I'm feeling
You need to
lightheaded.
rub some butter and some syrup on the mug.
I'm feeling lightheaded.
How you feeling lightheaded?
It hurt. I don't know.
Man, you tripping, bro. Damn, your lips over there swollen. Okay, the bottom one is a little big.
Is
Hey.
it?
Yeah,
I
what
told
do?
you they feel like they swelling up on me. I'm gonna look like Martin in
Do
that
this.
one episode. I'm having
me
an
see.
allergic reaction
Do
to
this.
something.
Do this. Let me see.
Whoa.
Let me see. Do you feel it? Oh, you felt it? Oh, you felt it? Oh, okay, so they good. They not all the way sunburned. When they go all the way sunburned, they go numb. So you felt that, you straight. We just gotta get you home. We gotta get you. We gotta get you home. What the heck? Don't be laughing at that. You better fight for your daddy. I was fighting for my life there back here, Noe. I was fighting for my life.
Come on now, dog.
Hey. What's wrong with your lips? Did you kiss somebody up there? You kissed the teacher? Did you kiss somebody waiting for the baby?
I kissed you. Is that the problem?
Before you left? Was your lips hurt when you were standing there?
I was fine. I was fine until.
Dang. Oh, let me see.
What you seeing?
Oh, your lip. No, that top one getting bigger now. You know the little meat part right here? It's growing. The little meat part right there is growing like a mud. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, here, let me pour some water on it.
I don't want none of that
Put
water.
some water on it. Put some water on it. What's wrong with you?
What you do to my water, bro?
Why I gotta do something to your water?
What you do to my water?
What are
You did
talking
something. What you did to my water?
I had did something to your water. Come on, let's go
What's
home.
on the rim of my bottle?
On the rim?
What's on the rim of my bottle?
I don't know, but Tupac used to be above the rim.
What'd you do?
What you mean what I do? I said Tupac used to be above the rim. I don't know what happened on the rim.
Bruh.
I used to hang on the rim in high school.
Oh!
Damn, what's that green
I
stuff?
need something to drink.
You need something to drink. You can't even talk in complete sentences. You need something to drink. What is you talking about?
Take me to the house.
Yeah, it didn't mess
I
your
don't
English
want
up.
no-
What is that? Oh!
No more of it. Move. Back up.
Why you gonna spit that cold water on me? Oh, hold on. It's dripping through my pants. It's going through my pants. Oh, my primary. My private area!
Oh!
Oh, it's cold. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold in my private area. Oh. You want to talk about me? Now what? Splash. Yeah, I'm lucky the baby in the car. How I'm lucky the baby in the car? Huh? You still would have got oral gel on,
Oh!
I got you, homie.
I knew it. Earmuffs. Put your earmuffs on.
No earmuff, listen.
Put your earmuffs on.
No earmuff, listen. He should have put the blinders on. The earmuffs, you gonna smack the mess out of me. He should have put the blinders on.
Oh!
He should have put the blinders on. You gonna say earmuffs, and then you gonna smack you and you say nothing.
How long my lips gonna be like this again? I don't remember. Last time.
40 to 55 minutes. Huh? You wanna wait to get something to eat for later? Cause this drink better feel it. Can you do this? Can you do that? Do that. Look. Ah! I see, don't take away from your appetite. Gotta bite my damn finger off. Team Brock, wanna play with us? Huh? Or jail on the wild rider. What's wrong with you?
Did you prank me or her?
Her. I gotta put oral gel on this part of her water bottle. You wanna taste some?
No. You didn't care about your mommy. My lips.
No. You about to try to throw it on me. Calm down.
Pour it on.
You didn't even.
All right, gang, we about to get up out of here because I'm finna jump me. I can tell.
No, you was laughing at me the whole time. You don't even care.
Oh! Get your Stop playing! You done put that on my baby. I want it cold as hell. Where the hell you get it from?
Back up.
Where the hell you get that damn water from? Santa Claus? Cold as hell. That water cold as hell.
Y'all not getting in the house. How about that?
Alright, let's get out of here. We gotta hurry up. We got the keys. Hey, let's get out of here. Alright, gang. We love you. Come on, man. Come on, man. We gotta go.
Best friend. You're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all